Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to clean the printhead on Epson L3050 model. So first we will print a nozzle check pattern to see if there is a problem with our printhead, how to print it. Press and hold the stop button, then press and hold for 2-3 seconds the power button until it starts flashing, and release the buttons. Now the printer will print a nozzle check pattern. Now, as you see, our printout is perfect, but if we have some missing lines here, you have to clean the printhead. How to proceed with the cleaning? You must be sure that the printer is on. It should be on. And to clean the printhead, press and hold for about 4 or 5 seconds this button, stop button, until the power button starts flashing. And the cleaning process takes about 4 or 5 minutes, and it is ready when you see the light is stable. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.